What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. I'm back with another video. In this video, I will show you guys exactly how you can make your first $100 online with this automatic system. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that bell so you'll be first to know once I upload videos on how to make some daily cash. Alright guys, so here in my back office, this is called $25.1Up. I have multiple videos on it. It's a done for you system that allows you to get paid $25, $100, $250, $500, and $1,000 commissions by referring others to this program. It all depends on which level you decide to come in at. That will determine how much commission you can earn per referral. So here in my back office, what I want to show you guys how you can make your first $100 commissions. Okay, so all you have to do is take these sales funnels. Okay, these are done for you sales funnels that $25.1Up has created for us. Okay, members like me and others who are a part of this team. You'll see multiple names pop up at the bottom that is either earned commissions or paid. Okay, look at there, they just earned $100. This is one big, it's a global team. All right, it's one big team, it's global, and we just teach and help other people how to make money online. I love it. I've been a part of it for a while now, and it's been making me money, and I like helping other people make money. And there's multiple ways that you could use this system to generate income. So here are the done for you sales funnels that are created for you. All right, and what I want to do is talk about this sales funnel right here. Now, what I've noticed over the past few days, I checked this right here. I check all of my funnels out daily just to see have there been any changes or anything. Now, before these testimonials, you have the creator TJ here telling them about this system, telling them about what it is, letting them know that testimonials are getting ready to come up. And basically, this system is totally doing the selling and the telling for you. And he's basically giving them a brief introduction before the testimonials come on. And here, when they put in their email here, guys, let's put in one of the emails and let's check it out. So VJHC5L. All right, so let's check it out. Show me the presentation. All right, I'm already opted in. It's my own email, but they will go to your autoresponder and emails will start sending out automatically. But here is another sales funnel. All right, so the first page you've seen was a capture page. All right, and what that did was capture the emails, which I'm gonna show you guys exactly where they're going. And here is the done for you sales funnel. So they get a video here breaking down step by step. And what this does right here is letting them know, hey, you can come in at the gold level for $25 plus the one-time $10 hosting fee. And here is the platinum. You go ahead and get both. So it's $125 plus the $10 hosting fee. So roughly $135 to get started. This will allow you to earn multiple $125 commissions daily. These commissions go directly to your PayPal, directly to your Cash App, to your Stripe, to your Zelle, whatever processor you decide to use. It will be in there immediately once you set up everything. Once you set up your profile, set up the way you want to get paid, that payment will go directly to however you edit your profile and put in your payment method. It will go directly to that. So like, for instance, if someone was to go on this sales funnel right here, guys, and they want to become a member, they will click step 2 and they will create an account. So here they will be sign under me, which will be your page. All right, so you see how all of this is automated. They shouldn't have too many questions when they are going through this funnel, because let me go back. This video here explains it all. So if you're someone who, you know, is busy, you really want your business on autopilot, you are busy, you have other businesses, you want to make money in your sleep, you want to make money while you're in school, in class, you want to do this part-time, whatever the case may be, this whole system is doing the selling and the telling for you. So you pretty much only have to focus on marketing, which is getting more eyes to your website. Inside the system of $25.1Up comes with the training on how to do that. And of course, when you join under me, I provide other resources and tools and additional training to help you reach that goal. But here is just so simple to just drive traffic to these websites and let it do the selling and the telling for you. That's all I do. So when it comes to marketing, you have multiple platforms, which again, I'm going to show you, let me come over here and show you guys exactly what I mean. Okay. You get training, Facebook training, YouTube training, Instagram training. Let's say you are completely new to this. You get valuable training. And let me show you, it's not just some boring training. You think, oh, I got to read this. Guys, it's videos explaining multiple aspects of Facebook, stuff that you need to know. Because Facebook has an algorithm that a lot of people don't know about. They end up getting their Facebook account shut down. You end up getting everything completely blocked on Facebook because it's things that you have to know how to market effectively online. Look at all of these videos. Okay, so you are getting value. It's no hype, guys. It's just value inside this system. Maybe you want it to grow. You want to grow your YouTube channel. All right. Maybe you want to be somebody who wants to make money on YouTube. You want to share all of this information on YouTube. Like what I'm doing right now, I am helping other people make money through my YouTube channel. So maybe you want to be somebody who want to do that. You could use all of this YouTube training. Okay. It gives you multiple trainings on everything that you need to know. So you might have a question on something. I guarantee you 9 times out of 10 it's inside of this system. We help you get traffic. We help you get sales, whatever you need. And I'm going to show you guys the traffic source that is tied in with $25.1Up. And it's also helping me make money with that company and also $25.1Up. You can use this to share with your downline, or you can use it for your own business. Now look at this Instagram. All of this Instagram training, guys. This is not like some training you get and it's like one big long 3-hour training. Oh, this boring. This give you steps. All right. It give you steps to give you stuff to apply to your Instagram so you could earn while you're learning. All right. This is a whole new ball game. 2020. Everybody's at home right now. People are looking for more ways to make money. All right. Make money from home is right now the way to go because you don't have to come in contact with other people. These are digital products. And once you get paid, it's a direct deposit to whatever processor you decide to go with. So what I like to focus on, guys, is activity. Don't so much focus on the sales, but of course, you can get you one of these, guys. You can get you one of these. And what I like to do in this, guys, is write like sale goals, how many people I talk to, you know, be organized with your business because a lot of people don't know when you write things down, they manifest faster. And when I say manifest, I mean they happen faster. So let's say my goal is to make 10 sales. If I write, my goal is to make 10 sales. If I keep that in my head, guys, do you know how many thoughts we have a day? So if I just kept that thought in my head and didn't make no action on it, I'm not going to be successful with that. But if I wrote it down, guys, I'm going to remember it and I'm going to keep track of it. So now what I'm doing is putting in action, effort, okay, to make those sales. I can't just make up a number in my head and don't put any action down. All right. So writing your goals down is very important. And let me share with you something else that is valuable. This is called My Lead Gen Secret. I will do another update with it, guys. But what I want to show you, let me log in here, is what it does. All right. So here you can email out to a list. Okay. You can email out to a list every single day. This particular lead generation system gives you 100 leads every single day that you can share any business with that I like to promote. $25.1Up, my YouTube channel, whatever I want to put in these emails, I can send out to them daily. All right. And once you come here, you can see how many people open your email, how many people actually clicked on the link. As you can see, it's a numbers game, and you could use this to learn how to leverage through email marketing, which most of your sales will come from. So like I said, guys, this system gives you 100 leads a day. This is congruent with the date. All right, it's 4/20/2020. All right, April 20th, 2020, the 19th, the 18th. I got 200 leads, 200 leads. You could use this for your business. You could use this to send out emails every single day, and with one click of a button, and you'll see how many people clicked on your link, how many people actually open your email, and use that as leverage on, like I said, how to market better through email marketing. All right, so I like this system. I use this system. Now let me show you what $25.1Up actually have done. So what I'm doing is come down to more income streams. Now $25.1Up done a great job with this. I'm actually going to go to funnel pages, and let me show you why. Let me show you why really quickly. So I'm gonna go to my $1 sales funnels, because with that system, it's actually $1 a day to have access to that service. So here, boom, I'm gonna click this, and what this does here is promote my lead gen secret. All right, real members are generating 100 to 200 leads per day just for $1 a day. You could use this system to promote your my lead gen secret, because guess what, with my lead gen secret, you get commissions once somebody joins under you. Now right now I have $10 in commission. Once you refer 5 people, you get a $100 bonus, and you also get those $5 for those people that you refer every single month. So this is another way to generate income, guys, and $25.1Up actually help you promote it. If you would like more information to this system that would allow you to make multiple $100 a day or even more, there's multiple levels inside the system that you can join. But if you just truly want to make at least $100 a day online, guys, the information to this system will be below. If you like this content, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also click that bell. Other than that, I'm out.